Not sure which Gold IRA companies have a solid track record? Awards and industry recognition can show you who's reliable. Choosing a Gold IRA company without knowing their track record or accolades can feel risky. That's why awards and industry recognition are important signals of reliability and quality service. In the Why Choose Augusta Guide, you will see examples of awards that companies can earn for excellence in service and trustworthiness. These are examples from the guide to illustrate how recognition can indicate a company's proven experience. When evaluating any provider, look for industry awards from reputable publications or organizations. Consistent recognition over time, not just one-off accolades. How awards align with customer reviews and ratings. This guide is one of 8 in the free Gold RA Ultimate Guide bundle, which also covers topics like why precious metals are a smart addition, gold and silver IRA, and more. I've linked this one in the description so you can see how awards and accolades help identify trusted providers. By checking for recognized awards and proven track records, you will be able to make more informed choices when selecting a Gold RA company. Download the full Gold RA Ultimate Guide bundle for free. It's beginner friendly, easy to follow, and helps you move forward with confidence by showing you how to spot award winning Gold RA providers with proven experience. The link's in the description.